Hello everyone. Today we are doing numericals on equations of motion. We derived these three equations using graphical method in the previous video. Now before starting the numericals, note one thing that you use these three equations only in case of uniformly accelerated motion. Okay? If the motion is uniform, you will use speed is equal to distance upon time formula. Okay? Whenever there is acceleration, uniform acceleration, then you use these three equations. Question 1, a bus was moving with a speed of 54 km per hour. That means this is the initial velocity. On applying brakes, it stopped. That means final velocity is 0. In 8 seconds, that means time is 8 seconds. Calculate acceleration. Now, which equation relates U, V, T and A? It's first equation of motion. Put all the values and find out acceleration. Now, before starting, see that the speed is in kilometer per hour, time is in seconds. So you need to convert speed into meter per second. Multiply by 5 by 18. You will get U equal to 15 meter per second. V0, time is 8. Use first equation of motion, put all the values and you will get acceleration is minus 1.87 meter per second square. If retardation is asked, then you will write plus 1.87 meter per second square. Okay. Next question is, the brakes applied to a car produce an acceleration of 6 meter per second square in the opposite direction to the motion. If the car takes 2 seconds to stop after the application of brakes, calculate the distance it travels during this time. Now, acceleration is opposite to the direction of motion. That means it is retarding. Acceleration is negative. So A is minus 6. Since the car is stopping, V is 0 and time taken is 2 seconds, right? You have to find distance. Now, which equation relates A, T, V and S? If you use second equation to find the distance, you have A, you have T, but you don't have U, right? If you use third equation, then also you require value of U. आपके पास A है, VB है, but U नहीं है. So find U first. अब U कैसे find कर सकते हैं? From first equation of motion. Use it, put all the values and find U. U is 12 meter per second. Now put this value of U in any of the two equations and you will get value of distance. I have used second equation here. Put all the values and you will get S equal to 12 meter. Next question, a body starting from rest travels with uniform acceleration. If it travels 100 meter in 5 seconds, what is the value of acceleration? Now write what all things are given. U is 0, it is starting from rest. It travels 100 meter. So S is 100, time taken is 5 seconds. You have to find acceleration. Now think about the equation which relates all three. Second equation of motion. Put everything and find A. You will get A equal to 8 meter per second square. A train starting from rest moves with uniform acceleration of 0.2 meter per second square and acquires speed 60 meter per second. Calculate the distance traveled. Now U is 0, A is 0.2 meter per second square, speed is 60 meter per second. Find distance. Which equation relates U, A, V and S? It's third equation. Put all the values and you will get S equal to 9,000 meter. A motorcycle moving with a speed of 5 meter per second is subject to an acceleration of 0.2 meter per second square. Calculate the speed of the motorcycle after 10 seconds and distance traveled in this time. So U is 5 meter per second. Acceleration is 0.2 meter per second square. Time is 10 seconds. You have to find the speed of the motorcycle after 10 seconds. That means you have to find final velocity. Use first equation. You will get V equal to 7 meter per second. Then use the equation of distance. You can use any of the two equations. Second equation या third equation. कोई भी use कर सकते हैं. I have used second equation. Put all the values. U is 5, time 10 seconds, A is 0.2. You will get S is equal to 60 meter. आप थर्ड इक्वेशन भी यूज कर सकते हैं। v आपने फाइंड कर लिया है, u इज 5, एक्सेलरेशन 0.2।